Hey you guys, earlier today I watched a video on YouTube called the top 20 natural hair women on YouTube, and the video was so inspiring that it just gave me this feeling like, oh god, like the holy crap, what the hell am I doing? Because I had my hair in a protective hairstyle, which isn't bad, but the type of protective hairstyle I had, it required me to put in weave. And since the video was so like it hit me so much, it made me want to take that hairstyle out, and I did. Which brings us here. Right now, as you know, my hair isn't as lengthy as those ladies in that video. I'm gonna put a link up so you guys can see if you haven't seen it yet. I'll put the link up. My hair isn't as lengthy, so I am, like, as you can see, I'm joining the natural hair community, but I'll be doing, of course, the short to medium version. I'm about to get up and go wash my hair so I can show you guys how I do it. It might be the same as theirs, it might not, but either way we can find out together. So just give me a minute and we can get started. Okay, so before I get started, I'm gonna show you guys the things I'm gonna use and what I'm gonna do to my hair, because I'm not gonna actually show you guys how I wash it. I'm just gonna let you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair, like divided it into threes. It's gonna be part through the crown, that way the back is by itself, and then the front is gonna be split into left and rights. I'm gonna clean it with apple cider vinegar and water. This is a mix of it here. This is a color applicator. It does have like measurements, if you can see it. Maybe not too clear, I don't know. But I didn't use it for this, but I know it will be beneficial later. The shampoo I'm gonna use is Afro-G's Deep Moisture Shampoo. Now the only reason why I'm using this is because this is what I have left. Like, this is what I have, and I want to hurry up and get rid of it and move on to the next best shampoo for my hair. So I mean, I already have this and I didn't know it was that bad for you, so I'm gonna stop using this once I'm finished and move on to the next. The conditioner I'm gonna use is the DIY mayo mix with the mayonnaise and the eggs and the honey. That's what I'm gonna be conditioning with. And for moisture, to moisturize my hair, I'm gonna be mixing 3 different oils: extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. Now usually I do mix more of them, but I ran out, so I'm just using what I have left until I restock. So I'm about to go start, and I'll see you when I'm finished. Alright, so I have the mayo conditioner in now. It's giving me bounce. You can already see I've had it in for maybe like 10 minutes now. I think I forgot to tell you guys earlier that I based it with aloe vera juice. So it's the aloe vera, the mayonnaise, then the egg, and then the honey. That's how I mix mine. I wanted to add like a fruit, but by that time I was already starting, so it was a little too late. I'm leaving this in for 30 minutes, and then after I'm gonna rinse, moisturize, and I guess I'll do a hairstyle. I don't know if I'm gonna fro it, like protect it for like at the night, twist it for the night, and then like wear it in an afro for the next day, or do a style. But either way, I'll let you know for the next video.